friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about the MC Wallace sling bag in buff. Alright, so I wasn't planning on actually recording a video today, but I got the brand new MC Wallace buff color in the sling bag and knew I had to hurry up and make a video because I have a gut feeling, I just know that this bag is going to sell out pretty quickly. This color seems to be pretty popular or increasingly getting popular with MC Wallace, and I think this colorway in the sling bag is so gorgeous and I just know it's gonna sell out. All right, so you guys know that my love for the sling bag runs deep. Like, I have been obsessed with this black sling bag for so long. I've done a full review and packing video on this one, and it's been featured in a number of like favorite videos, like best of 2022, or probably even best of 2021, seasonal favorites, all those type things. This one's always in there. It's my most used bag, and do I venture to say out loud, probably my favorite MC Wallace bag ever. I mean, it's definitely my most used, for sure. I've had it in one other color besides this one. I did grab it in the magnet color. It was so cute. It was like a gray color, and I believe the strap was silver and orange, and then the little tassels on it also had like a little bit of like an orange tip on it. I loved that one, but I ended up getting rid of it because I just use this black one all the time, and they were too similar of like colors for me to have both of them in my collection, but I knew that as soon as they released a really fun color in the Crosby sling that I wanted to get another one immediately. So that's what brings me to this bag in buff. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not entirely in love with the strap, with the chain strap choice color. I don't hate it, but it's not really my favorite. I am not a huge neon person. I would have loved to have seen this with like, I don't know, maybe a pretty blue strap or a mauve strap or pink or whatever, just not really neon yellow. But the more and more I hang out with it, the more I'm okay with it, I guess, if that makes sense. And then I can always, of course, take the chain strap off and just use it plain as it is. I love the color buff. I did my box tote review in that one. I kind of want the hobo in that one. It's such a great neutral color that I kind of want to buy all the bags in it. So the number one question that I get on the sling bag over and over and over again, because I think it's really hard for you guys to really see it if you haven't seen this bag in person, is how it looks on the body. And I'm gonna try so hard to get better at those for you guys this year. I get asked about it a lot. So I do want to go ahead and put it on and just show you how I wear it. Now, these sling bags come with 3 different straps. I typically will keep both of these straps on the bag when I'm wearing it. The black one I have worn a lot by just wearing it crossbody with the chain strap. Sometimes I will put on this one. Like I said, I kind of tend to keep both of these straps on the bag, but the third strap that does come with it is this one right here. It is a buckle strap. It's designed so that you can wear it like as a true fanny pack if you want to unhook it here and wear it around your waist. I never wear it like that. I've never have worn it like that, but it's an option if you want to wear it like that. So I wanted to make sure I pointed it out. All right, so this is typically how I wear the sling bag. I wear it across the front of me with this strap or even this one. I'll kind of switch them off and show you guys what they look like. I love the way that it looks. It's empty right now, so it actually is kind of sitting really nicely. When it's full, it does tend to hang like a little bit bulkier, but overall it still looks the same. It's super comfortable. I feel like you can kind of dress it up or dress it down if you take the chain strap on and off of the bag. I have worn it long days out. Like I said, it's a big favorite. It's a go-to for me. Now this strap here is super adjustable. So if you're taller or shorter, you can use that one pretty much like any height, I would say. This one here, obviously the chain is not as long. I am short, I'm 5 foot nothing, and I have a short torso, so if that means anything, but I like wearing it with the chain strap sometimes and just taking the other one off if it's a little bit dressier of an occasion, but I can easily wear it pretty much the same way with the chain strap. I don't find that it digs into me or anything like that. I mean, it's pretty comfortable. If I'm gonna be out, like say at a theme park or like a park or outside all day, I will just put this one on just because it's sportier, and I mean, it is more comfortable than the chain, but again, like I don't have any problems with it, and I wore the black one like that all the time. I will kind of go ahead and just throw the black one on for color reasons. If you wanted to see this one kind of versus that buff one on, but again, I have it kind of on here with the chain strap, and I love it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and pack this one up so that you can see how I typically pack it. I'm interested to watch back the review that I've done on this one to see if I pack it the same. I probably do, it's probably very similar, but for the purposes of this video, let's go ahead and just pack this one up real quick. All right, so the only pockets in this bag are going to be the big pocket on the inside, and this pocket on the outside. There's no pockets or anything on the back of the bag. And right now, at this moment, since I just packed this up, it's fairly organized. I don't have anything in this front zipper pocket. And the reason being is sometimes when I pack this bag pretty full, the items that I put in this front pocket tend to fall all the way down here. Since this pocket does run all the way down to like the bottom seam here of the bag, things do tend to fall if you don't have a lot in this front pocket. So that kind of gets annoying sometimes. So unless I have it packed really, really full, I won't put anything in here besides like papers or receipts or like a random hair tie or something the kids gives me, or like my phone. I keep this pocket pretty well empty for the most part. Getting into the main bulk of the bag, one of the things that I love about this sling is that you have 2 zipper pulls, so you can just kind of unzip it a little bit and get out what you need, or it opens up really, really wide, especially if you're wearing it, so that you can get everything that you need out of it really easy. So right now I just have everything kind of thrown in here, and as you can see, it's really, really quite simple to get whatever it is that I need out of here. I have a little chicken stick there on top, a granola bar, and then I have just a few other things in this main bulk, and then I do have some stuff back here in this pocket. Let me pull these out, and then I do want to show you how a couple of pouches fit in here in case you wanted to kind of like throw a pouch in here, because I do that sometimes too. So Touchland hand sanitizer always, a hand cream of some sort. Sometimes I will put these in the front pocket, but like I said, it gets annoying. Altoids. I also have my big key ring with a hair tie and a couple of keys, studio earbuds, and then my wallet. This is the Mina Bay wallet that I just did a full review on. I love this one, especially inside the sling bag. And look how pretty tan looks here with buff. It's so classic. Okay, so speaking of pouches, I grabbed 2 of these here off of the counter just to show you what they look like inside, because sometimes I'll literally just have my wallet, a pouch, and like my keys inside of it, and I won't use like this back zipper pocket or the front. But this is the medium size pouch in those Mina Bay pouches. It's just kind of what I happen to have on the counter, and it fits perfectly inside here. I've also packed, I'm trying to think of what MZ Wallace pouch I used to pack in here. I can't think off the top of my head. I'll have to go look, but I have a couple of different ones that I packed in here. This is this was actually a gift with purchase for those of you that maybe snagged it a couple of weekends ago, last weekend or the weekend before, that if you bought something that weekend, you got this buff small Metro pouch for free, and I love it. This will fit inside for sure if you wanted to use that just as another way to organize. It's actually a pretty good fit inside here. So just kind of food for thought if you wanted to pack it just, I don't know, differently. All right, so as far as this back zipper pocket, I don't have anything in this little tiny pocket here in the front, but I did actually use this zipper pocket to put all of my small things that I would typically carry in a pouch. I think it works really well in the sling bag. I don't typically like to use the interior pocket on MZ Wallace bags because it's so big and it's hard to use these 2 small like slip pockets because you're really kind of digging down in there. But in the sling bag, the pocket is smaller, so you can utilize it a little bit easier. Like in this one here, I just have some Halls, mini drops. I also have a medicine. I think that was all in this one. I can fit more. Over here, I just have eye drops and a lip gloss. And then in the big bulk, I just have odds and ends. Cuticle cream. Love this one, by the way. It's really, really good. Oops. I have Band-Aids, eyeglass cleaner or eyeglass wipes, pens, nail file, hair clip. Like I said, all kind of the like small things. I'll give you one last look here of the bag, completely empty, so that you can see it up close. It fits like way, way more than you would ever think it would fit at first glance. I love the way that it packs up. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that are interested in this MZ Wallace sling bag or interested in seeing it in this buff color. I highly, highly recommend it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below or message me or reach out to me on Instagram or however. I'm always happy to help. I will have my MZ Wallace link down below in the comments and the description box for those of you that want to shop this bag or any other items from MZ Wallace. It is an affiliate link, so I make a small commission, and I'm so, so appreciative for everyone that shops MZ Wallace through my link. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye.